Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can hide your last active location on the Snapchat or hide live location on the Snapchat. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open the Snapchat and you will see profile icon at top left corner, click on it, and then you will see setting options at top right corner, click on it, then scroll down the page, and then you will see my location options, click on it, and you can see ghost mode. When this is enabled, your friends cannot see your location, so enable it so your friends cannot see your location while you are in ghost modes. So select the time of your ghost mode, so I am selecting until turn off. You can see hide my live location, so when enable it, your friends cannot see your live location, so enable it. So in this way, you can enable ghost mode or hide live location on the Snapchat. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.